Hello friends. In last video I have uploaded Insta360 X5 camera unboxing video. So lot of friends ask me what are the main accessories we need to buy. So in this video we will review what are the important accessories we need to buy. Okay. So without any delay, let's get into the video. First accessory, invisible selfie. So this is 120 centimeter. We can mount our camera from here. Okay. So like that we can mount. This is brand from Insta360. This cost is almost 2000 rupees. If you want to stick big tripod, its cost is almost 2500 rupees. That's also Insta360 brand. Otherwise, if you want to take drone shots like any other cinematic shots you need to take, you can go through 300 centimeters. Its cost is almost 9000 rupees. Mostly this is perfect to everyone. The second important accessory is camera lens. So if you record with original lens, you can get damage the original lens. So its cost is almost very high. So you can protect the original lens from this lens card. Okay. So off market 600 700 rupees is available, but you should go through with Insta360 brand only, because of in off market the video quality is very low, light reflection is there, a lot of issues is there. Okay, so you can go through with Insta360 brand only. It is better to the very good quality of video recording. So in this Insta360 brand, they are given two kind of lenses. One is standard version and is premium. Standard lens is coming from 3500 rupees and premium lens is costed almost 4000 rupees. I got standard lens. We should claim this lens card. So here marking is there. From this mark we can rotate the right side angle. Okay. So it will fit into this mic downside. Okay. The third important accessory is battery. Okay. So only single battery you can able to record more long time videos. Okay. So alternatively you should keep one extra battery. Okay. This cost is almost 5500 rupees. This Insta360 brand. In off market also batteries available, but that is also maybe I think good because of the have capacity 2800 mAh, but this more than 400 mAh extra they have. Okay, so you can go through that battery also. Okay, suppose I got battery, how I can charge if I use a single battery in camera? If this camera is running in the time, how I can charge in additional battery? So that is the important for accessory. That is a battery charging case. Okay, this is branding from Insta360. This cost is almost 7000 rupees. Okay, in offline market also available is there. That cost is almost 2000 rupees. Okay, but what is the difference? This much cost difference because of this is single battery. It will charge 100% within half an hour. Okay, but in the offline market, that cases single battery it will take 2.5 hours for single battery filling. Okay, so that's purpose you should buy compulsory branded only. Okay, otherwise for every trip interpreted time you should wait for battery charging. Next one is a very extraordinary accessory. This is a bullet time handle. Okay, so we can do the cinematic videos for couples, a lot of different kind of shots like this. This cost is almost 2800 rupees. This is not a Insta360 brand, this is a offline brand. Okay, so if you want what is the brand, every products I can keep in description. What is the cost, what is the company I have to buy, everything I can keep in description. If you want me have it down, please you can check that video's description. Okay, so like we can remove. Okay, so we can connect our selfie stick to here. We can connect our camera in bottom side. Here lock release option is there. So once we are rotate this one, it will get lock release. Okay. So it will be rotate like that. So we can do lot of actions. In our channel also I have to upload already one waiting bullet time shots video. If you want you can check in my description link, I will take you. So not only bullet shots, we can use this like a tripod like. So 1 2 3. So upside on is there. We can connect this. So like that we can use like tripod also. This cost is 2800 rupees. Next important accessory, SD card. Okay, normal SD card is price is for 512 GB. It's 3000. But for especially 4K 8K, you should compulsory buy SanDisk Extreme Pro or Samsung lasers. A lot of difference is there. You should buy this V30 Morgan. It means there's a video 30. Okay, 30 MB per seconds we can record. Okay, so this is very good. B60, B90 also in market available, but that is very highly cost. So we can consider this is a B30. Okay. Its cost is almost 10,100 rupees. Okay, I got this is a 512 GB SD card. Next, accessories is tempered glass. How we are protect our mobile? Same concept. We will protect our camera display by these tempered glasses. Okay, in this tempered glass we can remove like that. Here they are given some stickers for dust removing. Once we are placed on remove, we can clean the display. After that, we can remove the sticker. We will easily place the tempered glass. It's very handy to protect our camera display. Its cost is almost 500 rupees in Amazon. I got next accessory silicone cover for this camera, and this is for lens. Okay, unfortunately camera will getting fall down. We can save our camera. Okay, so this cost is almost 500 rupees. This is cheaper only, but it's the best important accessories to save our camera. Next accessories, if we are going to some trekking or bike riding, how we can hold anytime in selfie stick in our hand. This is very difficult. For alternatively, we have some mounts. Okay, I will show you now. This is chest mount. Okay, so if we are bike driving, we can keep in chest camera. We can connect. Okay, so we can cover almost 180-degree front view. Whatever any unfortunate, unexpected, lovable moments, we can cover easily. Okay, but it is only front view. Back view in our body will cover, so we can be able to record in our backside views. Okay, and second one is head mount. Okay, so if we are going some trekking, we can use like that. We can keep in our head mount. It will record 360-degree every movements we can capture by this mount. Okay, easily we can fit here and we can start to open the last one. This is a wrist mount. Okay, so we can keep like that in our wrist. After we can mount our camera here. In bike riding, cycling, or swimming, or gaming, playing, whatever moments, in that time we can keep our camera to here. Every moments we can capture easily. Okay, so like that we can slow and easily we can mount the camera to here. Okay, so chest mount, head mount, and wrist mount. These all are I am purchasing from Amazon. The total cost is 1,200 rupees. So additionally, I got some two extra mounts. One is back mount. Okay, in wherever if we are nearing back, in the back stop we can keep and we can record camera. We can take here our camera. We can record any movements easily. And second one, I got this mobile mount. Okay, here we can connect our mobile. For any camera moments we should keep like by phone we can keep and we can mobile. So we record how we are recording by camera. That should also be controlled by this phone. So this is very helpful. And one more thing, this RRR is not a promotion video. This is my own purpose what I got for my Insta360 camera. So keep it in your mind. Okay. This is the next accessory. Looking is very small. This is very important. Why? Because in the previous we have seen some mounts. In the mounts also having some fiber plastic adapter. Okay, but that is very risky to our camera. Okay. But alternatively, I have to buy this aluminium 1/4" adapter. Okay, so this is very strong. We can adjust the size everything by this alloy key. Okay, we can connect this to our camera like that. So wherever mount we can use like chest mount, wrist mount, head mount, and wherever we can keep. So it is very help to our camera. Okay, this is the last important accessories. Bike on. Okay, so if we are doing some bike riding, how we can keep in selfie stick, how we can drive. Okay, further this is a very helpful. This is cost is almost 800 rupees. This is very hard, very strong also. So we can keep our selfie stick like that. Once after we can tie it here, this hole will come into our handlebar. Okay, once we are connect, we can choosing the direction wherever we can rotate. Okay, so this is getting 60-degree rotation, right side 30-degree and left side 30-degree we can keep. Okay, so like the position we can record and like that whatever this we can adjust, we can keep. This is very important for bike riders. Okay, yes guys, finally we completed these important accessories. Everything you should compulsory buy based on your usages like traveling or vlogging or personal vlogging, trekking, everything. Okay, upcoming videos we are planning to upload how we can shoot different kind of shots, how what are the settings is there, everything we will upload one by video. If you want, please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.